Hey, what's up guys? My name is Christian and I'm about to show you how does my Dodge Charger RT 2015 sounds after the straight pipe. I still got the catalytics, so it's gonna be from mid to the end. Let's get it. So there's a quick review I want to tell you. First, I did the mid pipes, but it wasn't that deep. I didn't like it. So that's why I decided to do straight pipe, even though I still got the catalytics, which I recommend unless you're gonna have a tune, because if you take off the catalytics, you're gonna have to turn off the check engine light. And it's gonna be more expensive. So if you don't have the budget to do so, I just recommend to do straight pipe and keep the catalytics. The job, it's about 400 to the straight pipe. In my case, because I replaced the rear diffuser and put nice tips, nice Jeep tips, but for you that are gonna keep like stock tips, it's gonna be about 180, 200, something like that. It's a nice job. It was done very quickly. It took like half an hour, and as you can see, was pretty good and decent job. I'm here in New York, so if you guys want to do this kind of job, go to Greñas. Greñas is in 1510 Jerome Avenue in the Bronx, and stay tuned for more videos about the Dodge Charger RT. Peace.